So we have built this amazing product that just quickly, sticks up onto in less than like 60 seconds, right? It sticks up onto whatever it is that you already built. It could be a website or mobile application or anything. It just sticks there. And then you can invite all your customers to be a part of it. And then there goes this thousands of conversations with them, like, I'm using this way, their stories. And then you get to listen to all of this. And then you can spark new conversations. You can ask them, what is it that you're liking about us? That community is ours. And that is what we do.
Hey folks, welcome to First Check Portfolio Shorts. My name is Noah Martins, and this is a series where we speak to founders of our portfolio companies so that you get to know their team, understand what they're building, and the problem they're trying to solve. If you like the content that we've been putting out, do like, share, and subscribe so that we can reach more founders and startup enthusiasts like you. Today's very special guest is Deepak Kumar, co-founder and CEO of Habitate. Habitate is a community platform for fast-growing companies to engage with their customers. They make it easy for brands to communicate with their customers on a large scale, engage in discussions, collect feedback, share announcements, provide support, and learn more about them. Habitate enables one to instantly create community pages, blogs, and articles that integrate with any website or application. The community smoothly integrates with any website and provides analytics over the discussions. I had a great conversation with Deepak, and it was really endearing to see the working culture he has built. So do stick around till the end of the episode to learn more. So Deepak, thank you so much for joining me today. It's a pleasure to host you.
It's awesome to meet you as well, and really excited about this call that we're going to have.
Awesome. So let's start by talking about the problem that you're trying to solve at Habitate.
What is that problem that every company has? What is that every company wants? They want acquisition, right? They want to get more customers. They want to keep the customers that they have gained, right? They want to know exactly what they want to build. They want to get some good feedback on whatever they're building. And now let's look from the user end, like customer perspective. What do you want? You want quick solution. You want to see how can I get maximum value out of the product that I purchased. You want to meet the other people who have probably bought this one. You want to exchange ideas with them, right? Now, one thing that solves problem for both these parties, all of this is community. Is by bringing people together, and that's what we do. So we have built this amazing product that just quickly sticks up onto in less than like 60 seconds, right? It sticks up onto whatever it is that you already built. It could be a website or mobile application or anything. It just sticks there. And then you can invite all your customers to be a part of it. And then there goes this thousands of conversations with them, like, I'm using this way, their stories. And then you get to listen to all of this. And then you can spark new conversations. You can ask them, what is it that you're liking about us? That community is ours. And that is what we do.
That's awesome. So tell me more about this solution in a more practical sense. Like, what is it exactly that you all are building?
Right. So let me tell you what people do without us, right? Let's say Habitate is not in existence and have this company, right? Then what people do is people do this on Facebook groups or WhatsApp groups or Slack channels. Now, the problem with that is you're putting so much of effort into building community, right? You're talking to them, you're bringing these people together, you're creating content, you're creating this part. And then the nightmare is that after putting all this effort into these channels, you don't have control over the data. You don't have control over how the platform functions. It's just like a rented home. You can do a lot of things there, right? And all this content, it's going to go in vain. It's not going to give you any SEO benefit. Right. So you want something that feels like yours. You want something that you can customize. Okay, that's very simple to use. That integrates with your existing platform. It is SEO indexable, and that's what Habitate does. So it's something like how WordPress works for blogging. Habitate does it for community.
Okay, very cool. So tell me a little bit about your progress so far.
Yeah. So the product is launched in the market, and people have been saying some amazing things about us on the data. You can go ahead and actually take a look at them. We have made it more than several thousands of conversations have happened on the platform. We have enabled for many platforms, many brands, more than 10, 15 brands we have enabled it. Even a couple of them include something that some of the brands that we work with, you might have seen their ads on IPL if you're watching the matches. So we work with those fellas and enable them to build an amazing community for their customers, for their internal people. So yeah, that's the stage we are in.
All right. So tell me about why you decided to build this And also talk to me about why people should want to come and join you in building Habitat. Why should people want to be a part of your team?
Right. Awesome. So why am I doing this? Because I like people, right? Anything revolves around them. I like being the host,
Yeah.
right? Be it even if it's a friend's party, it's always my home, right? Where everybody gathers. And now I'm imagining to do it as a business on a larger picture, right? And I want to help many brands to create that sort of party for their customers, where they can hang out and express themselves. So that's one. And why you want to work is the working at Habitat feels more like a bunch of friends, crazy people just hang out and do things. We experiment a lot. We build in public, so you can actually go and take a look at everything that we do on a daily basis, and those are evidently showing that how we make things happen. We don't mimic what exists in the market. We're not scared to try new things. Not every individual has their freedom, openness to go and get their ideas out, and it feels like a home. It's not really an office. It's not a 9 to 5 job. It feels like a home, and and probably my team can also express what they feel.
Awesome. Thank you, Deepak. It was a pleasure talking to you. And it's really cool to see what you're building and how you're bringing people together.
Yeah, likewise. It was great talking to you too, Neha. You are such a great host.
Thanks.
I'm Varalakshmi. I head customer success at Habitat here. I think the essence of this particular company in itself is that you feel home. The comfort is one of the major criteria for anyone to work in any place, right? So the comfortability, you just don't have any inhibition to share anything with the founder or the team. And the other part is that all of us are under 30. I think that's one of the other things that I really admire. And the third thing mainly is that there is no hierarchy at all. It's like whoever has an idea, you can always come down to the whiteboard and share your ideas with each other. We all work like peers, and then we all share ideas with each other. No matter the experience you have, whatever it is, that's about it.
Okay, so I'm Sailesh. I'm working as a junior product engineer over here. Started as a fresher basically 3 months back. I interned somewhere before in my college time, and like my perspective of the corporate environment was like totally different than what it is now.
This place is awesome because whenever I wake up, I'm happy to come here. I'm excited. That's how good this place is. I think that's